channel. Today I have an exciting update about the Karimabad area, a famous part of Karachi. Before diving into the latest developments, let's talk about why Karimabad is so renowned. So guys, Karimabad is located in the central part of Karachi. It's an area that buzzes with activity and is well known for its vibrant markets and bustling streets. One of the main attractions of Karimabad is the Meena Bazaar. As you can see in this video, Meena Bazaar building. It's a shopper's paradise where you can find a variety of items at reasonable prices. Alongside Meena Bazaar, Karimabad boasts the second largest dupatta street in Karachi. Here dupattas are divided in vibrant colors and you can find clothing for women, men and children nearby Meena Bazaar, Faisal Bazaar or Dupatta Gali. Karimabad is also famous for Mehndi applications, especially on moon nights. The area is a hub for urgent Panaflex printing, making it the second largest printing market in Karachi. The sports equipment market in Karimabad is another highlight. Local and international players often visit to buy their gadgets or costumes or gears. A notable outlet here is Miadad Sports, owned by the brother of Pakistan's famous cricketer Javed Miadad. Karimabad is not just about shopping, it's also a food lover's heaven. Hussainabad Food Street is famous for its delicious offerings. Additionally, the Memon Foundation Institute is a key establishment where local girls learn and improve their skills in sewing, embroidery and mehndi. Karimabad has often faced severe traffic congestion, especially in the evenings. The situation was so dire that even ambulances were stuck, leading to unfortunate delays. To address this, Mayor Karachi Murtaza Wahab initiated the construction of an underpass 6 months ago. The underpass construction is divided into 3 phases. As you can see in this video, phase 1 from Kaka Bhavani Chaurangi or Memon Foundation Chaurangi near Usman Memorial Hospital to Meena Bazaar, about 30% of this phase is completed, including excavation and construction of basements and side walls. In phase 2, near underground at Karimabad Bridge, and phase 3 from Sony Shopping Mall to Ziauddin Chaurangi, excavation has not started yet, but alternative drain lines have been laid. Once completed, the underpass will significantly ease travel for those moving from North Nazimabad Block L, Block M, Block N, Block H, North Nazimabad Block J, Aurangabad Town to Aga Khan Hospital, Liaquat National Hospital, CB Branch Society, Hill Park, and from Asghar Shah Stadium to National Stadium. It will also benefit people traveling from North Nazimabad to Hussainabad Food Street, saving them 20 to 25 minutes of travel. Mayor Murtaza Wahab initiative is a significant step toward the development of Karachi. The tenure of Mustafa Kamal and Musharraf, a previous mayor, was considered a golden era for Karachi due to substantial development work. The current of efforts by Murtaza Wahab, inspired by the vision of Bilawal,